Hello? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Well, we just finished packing up our stuff for the workshop. Oh, where'd you go?
Can I see the sunglasses?
Yeah. Just get him. Just get him.
Don't break them.
Bro!
You're about to break them.
No, I'm not. Hey, Jake. You ready for the show?
What show?
Yeah.
I mean...
Shoot, we have ski practice.
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, we have ski practice.
Oh, my...
Sorry if I smell like I work at Aeropostale.
Sorry if I smell like I will work
Sorry
at.
if I smell like a... Smell like a...
Can I hit your jewel, bro?
Yeah, one second.
Okay, well, now we're going on our way.
Oh, we're moving.
The workshop.
No, we're going to Lauren's house right now.
Oh, what? Okay.
Remember? We have to go pick
She
her
said,
up.
she said her dad or something.
What?
She said her dad.
Yeah. Wait, can she sleep?
She said, yeah.
Can
yeah.
she sleep wherever you're sleeping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like her dad. She said that she has to ask her. I don't know. Goodbye. Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye. Jake, text Lauren that we're coming so I don't have to deal with it.
Oh, it's not stopping.
It's
How do you-
It's not like we're totally clean.
So now we're with Lauren. We picked her up.
Are you excited to meet Hugo?
I know.
I hope he likes music. And I hope he brought earplugs.
Oh, probably not.
I also hope he's ready to mosh.
Yeah. I didn't bring earbuds either, which sucks.
Fucking hell.
Yeah. What the
your
fucking
seatbelt
hell?
on.
I bring earplugs everywhere I go. They're on my keychain constantly.
They're on his keychain.
Put your seatbelt on, Max. That's illegal.
Put it on!
It's illegal.
Here we are at day 1 of tour at the workshop.
Shut up.
Ooh, you have to stand in the light so it looks cool.
Out?
Max is gonna get it.
Max,
Where's the other?
Max is gonna get it.
Max, fucker,
He got hurt.
Max, you hurt him. Now you're out of the band. So
I'm gonna go cry. I don't want checks in the cry, okay?
here we go. This is our first show at workshop. Here we got Eddie Louie, the birthday boy! The birthday boy! He's fucking 18!
Wait.
Look at everyone's so excited! It's really dark. Oh! How you feeling? Okay, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, I gotta go so I can say hi to this fucker. Take this.
bro.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Here, play it with drums and tell me if you can hear
Okay.
things.
Hey! What's going on, guys?
Hey! Wow! Punch me in my jaw.
I love you too. You ready? I really wish you would. I've never heard my synth sound this good.
I know it sounds so beautiful.
Yeah, wait, Jake.
Angie, how do I do this?
Just vlog, bro.
I like being a part of the action though.
It's. Dude, what do you want? Oh.
I just kept it going.
Yeah, you did.
your impression.
There we go. Thought that was funny, huh? Didn't you? Didn't you?
The family man, his Christmas lights, they're already on. And I got no idea how to get out, how I will find a way out. Turn the things I'm running seriously, turn my fucking mouth, turn my fucking mouth, turn my fucking mouth. That was the all. All these goddamn fucking socks following me around.